Here's a pair of the JBL Endurance Peak 4 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Amazon Fire TV or a Amazon Fire TV stick via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these into pairing mode. Okay, you'll notice in pairing mode, if both of the lights here is blinking blue, 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 okay? With mine here, I get a solid blue light here, and then it turns off. The reason is for myself is because I've connected to one of my phones or another TV. So for myself, I have to manually put this in a pairing mode. Now I can use either the right button or the left button, it doesn't matter. I just use the right one here. And what I'm going to do to force this into pairing mode is that JBL symbol right there. I'm going to tap and then tap and hold and keep holding until both the lights here start blinking blue, or if it was my ear, I would hear pairing. Okay, so we'll try it, this one here, the right side. Ready? Tap, tap, and hold. And just keep holding for like maybe 7-8 seconds. Hey, I did it the first time. What do you know? They're both blinking blue. It's in pairing mode. Now let's hurry up and shoot over to our TV. And you want to go to the home page, click on the home button on the remote, and then you can navigate to that gear icon all the way to the right. Right there. And then from here, oh, there we go. Now you want to go down, and we're going to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices right there. Let's select that. Go all the way down to other Bluetooth devices, select it. And now we're going to go all the way. You can see the other headphones and earbuds I have paired to this TV, but we're going to go down to add Bluetooth devices so we can add these. Let's select that. It's still in the pairing mode, is blinking blue, blue. Now searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, which is a Bluetooth range about 30 feet or so. Oh, there you go. So Endurance Peak 4, found it. It's already highlighted. Let's select it. Pairing the device. And voila, we are connected, ready to go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't put it into pairing mode, if you had problems connecting or pairing these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for that link in the description area below.